technicians would write it down on some sketch paper. There were times where, that paper would get lost, or the sketch, when you try to put it into Xactimate, the numbers didn't line up, and it didn't work out well. So we were looking for something that would streamline, because everyone has a phone. What we've found with Encircle, essentially, they can go out with minimal experience and just do a video floor plan walkthrough, and it takes 1 minute and 30 seconds. And then in less than 4 hours, you get that floor plan back, and it's 98% accurate. They were pretty excited about that. Now that it can be integrated straight into Xactimate, you're saving countless time and hours on the back end. Just a lot more efficient, and seamless transaction from floor plan to Xactimate. Your newest technician can do it. It's going to save you so much time. Yes, there's a little bit of an expense there, but that's worth it to have all of the accurate information.